Hey folks, this is Basant here. Today's video I'm going to talk about Teable. This is the native app builder you can use to create the CRMs, project managements, to-do lists, and even the website and the landing pages. The list goes on, and because there is the AI involved, you can upload your Excel sheet or Google sheet for the databases, and it can build the apps for you based on that. I'm going to give you a detailed overview and the features demo. For example, I have just uploaded my this Google sheet here with the lot of the colleges information from the states, the college name, quota, admission fees, kind of this stuff, and this is how the app built on using the Teable. So on this app you can see every time a student or the user going to add their information, like I'm going to add this some marks here, and I will select my home country, location, or the state here. Okay, and based on that it is suggesting me there are the 3 colleges in my state I can get admission here. So now you can see particular with out of this information I built out this app. Looks stunning and easy to access and use here. Now what I can do here, I can also add a paywall or ask the users to register to access this information here. So same thing you can also generate using the tables. And not only that, I have also created this website here. So on this website you can see I have just asked to analyze this URL from the Appsumo link page and ask it to create a dedicated deal page, okay, with all the information here. And not only that, I just went ahead and asked it to create a hero section with the animated, wherever I am going to move the cursor, this animation is goes on. And you can see this is the app I have built for this deal page app here. So this is only the few things I have done. There's also the some templates available. So if I go to this home section and click here on the templates, you can see I have the project and the task apps, I have the sales and CRM, I have even the AI powered tools I can create, and there's also the growth and marketing. There's this tool that is going to also help you generate a thumbnail generator using the AI. You have to just let me give you the preview first so you can easily understand here. So I will go to the this base here on the space, and after that, okay, let me go to the this space, let me back here, and I have to simply select this base here. So here I have just used this template to generate the thumbnails for me, and here I have to just give the text, I have to give the images, reference images, and out of that here it can generate these kind of the thumbnails for you. So let me close this one. You can see the thumbnail based on the 16:9 YouTube ratios and the shorts ratios. Okay, and I have even tested out. I have just uploaded my few of the images. You can see this is my image, this is the reference image, and I have given this context here, and this is the thumbnail it has generated for me. And I am really surprised the quality is generating. You can see here. Okay, so I will also show you how you are going to do that. So if I go to this here and click here on the create a base, first it is going to generate a space here where it will ask you what kind of the stuff you want to generate. So you can just simply add your prompt that you want to generate this stuff. For demo purpose, I am just simply going to copy this deal page link, and so here you can see I have just given the prompt here, build me a lead capturing page for me for this product, analyzing this website URL here, and it just goes on and built me this deal page here that I have also showed you while starting off this video. Okay, and not only that, I have also given the extra prompt to give me the animated hero section. Wherever I move the cursor, it is going to just also give the animation behind the cursor. Okay, so that thing has also done. So not only it can just give you the some simple things, but also do the advanced stuff for you. So this is the preview, and here it is the code. Okay, so all this code file it has generated for me, and now what I can do, I can just click here on the publish and simply the publish here. So right now there's also the custom domain section available or the feature available, but it is not available, it's in the coming soon. So that's the only option available to use this link that it's going to generate for you, and this is how its link is going to show up. Pretty much awkward here, but no worries, soon we will also able to connect our custom domains. So that's how you can build the system for you. And there's also, like I said, tons of the templates available. If you want to get started, I suggest go with the template, and here simply just locate or find out what you want to create. For example, right now I want to create a task tracker or the CRM or the code generator, so I will simply use this one. I can preview like how this looks like, how it's going to offer me what the things. I can also give it the I can also get the preview of it, and if I like it I can click here on the use this template, and now it will generate the same thing for me with my own prompt here. Now you can see this is the generated here. Now here I can just describe what things I want to be change, I want to customize, and based on that it can generate me this kind of this CRM for the clients and the management. Okay, so that's how you can use the Teable. There are the lots of the amazing things you can do, possibilities endless. It's totally depend on you how you are going to use this platform. Simply upload your database from the Google Sheet or the Excel sheet, give it a command, and it can generate the apps for you in just few minutes. That is ready to deploy without needed to be your hosting required. Later on you can just connect your custom domain and make it as you like. It can even host the different users information like their email or the kind of stuff that you can later on integrate with the other platforms as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is the really quick video I have just talked in the Teable. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated.